Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the video description. Remember, this is just my personal experience, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're diving into Venmo, a mobile payment service available at Venmo.com. Venmo allows you to quickly and easily send and receive money from friends, family, and even some businesses. It's become increasingly popular for splitting bills, paying rent, or even just sending a quick gift to someone. The platform is known for its social aspect, allowing users to add notes and emojis to their transactions, making it a more interactive and fun way to manage money. Setting up a Venmo account is relatively straightforward. You'll need to download the app or visit their website at Venmo.com to get started. From there, you'll link your bank account or credit card, and you're ready to go. Venmo offers various security measures to protect your financial information, and they have a dedicated support team available to assist with any issues you might encounter. Beyond personal transactions, Venmo is also expanding into the business realm. More and more businesses are accepting Venmo as a payment method, making it even more convenient for consumers. This seamless integration with everyday purchases makes Venmo a valuable tool for managing your finances. However, it's always crucial to be mindful of security best practices when using any online payment platform. One of Venmo's key features is its social feed, where you can see your friends' transactions, with privacy controls, of course. While this can be a fun way to stay connected, remember to be mindful of what you share and adjust your privacy settings according to your comfort level. Venmo offers granular control over who can see your transactions, everyone, your friends, or just the participants involved in the transaction. Overall, Venmo, accessible at Venmo.com, provides a user-friendly platform for managing your money in today's digital age. From splitting the cost of dinner with friends to paying your share of the rent, Venmo offers a quick, convenient, and often entertaining way to handle your finances. Just remember to be aware of the security implications and adjust your privacy settings to your liking.